my channel. So as from the title you all have read that I'm going to do a haul. Now I love watching hauls, so I hope you all enjoy too. After the whole situation improves, I'm 100% sure I'm going to do many more collaba hauls and all. So stay tuned for that. Starting with the Myntra haul, the first item is a very basic item. Now we've been staying at home, so that's why I thought I'll order some comfortable and cute little home clothes. So the first item is these shorts. Now they are in lavender purple and the color is really pretty. I don't remember the prices, so I'm going to put the prices somewhere here and you all can check it out. Second item is this. Now I haven't opened it, so I'm just going to open it. I guess it's a shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt with vertical stripes of white and black in color. I really like wearing shirts, so yeah. Now the third item is this plain black t-shirt. It's a bit oversized, but I like oversized t-shirts. It has a white stripe detailing on the sleeves and it's half sleeves. Yeah, and it's made up of cotton, so it will be great to wear at home with those shorts or with anything you want. And I'm in the size small. Now the fourth item, again a basic t-shirt. This is a pink basic t-shirt. So most of the clothes are basic. Now right now we don't go out, so I haven't called for anything fancy or anything like that. Something that everyone will wear at home every day. So it's a pink, like a peachish pink, and yeah, it has a small little pocket and it's half sleeves. Also, it's made up of cotton, so it's great and you'll never feel hot in these clothes. So it's good for summers and monsoons. Top is something that we won't wear at home, but it's like trendy and on the border of casual. So yeah, it's really cool. It's a full sleeve top with a detailed sleeves, and I really like this color. It's burgundy. And the next top, again I've got so many basic pieces, but that's what I have been wearing right now, so I think it's good for this sitting at home time. The next top again is the blue top. It's just like that pink one. It has a pocket and it is half sleeves made up of cotton and just the basic top. So the last item from Myntra haul is this gown. Now it's a gown in navy blue color with red flower detailing. It has that patches of detail all over the gown. It is pretty long, so I might have to get it altered, but if I wear it with heels all the time, it's going to be okay. And the back has a rectangular cutting, which I'm not sure if you all can see that, but I'm going to put a picture somewhere here of the model wearing it, so you all can get a better idea. And it has tassels to tie it. So from Ivy Threads, I called for a really basic piece, but it's basic yet really trendy, and I love all their pieces. So I'm just going to link their Instagram ID in the description box and you all should check it out. It's a white, and of course, let's please talk about the packaging. I love that. It's eco-friendly and it's so cool. Yeah. So the top here is a white basic t-shirt. It is half sleeves and has a cute little blue color butterfly in the front. It is really basic, so y'all can style it however y'all want. They have shown some styling ideas in their on their Instagram account. Also, I'm going to link some of the YouTubers styling a white t-shirt. So I'm done with the clothing part of the haul, and from Amazon I called for two things, and they are, the first one is a mic. Now I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm wearing a mic here. That's because sometimes I don't know how, but अचानक से the video का audio is so low and then I have to reshoot it or re-edit it, and that becomes a huge task. So I just got this Boya mic from Amazon. Now this is really well reputed, and I checked all the reviews, and till now I'm really happy with it. It comes with a mic, the wire, and also it can be used on it can be plugged onto your phone as well as your camera. So that's really cool, and that's why there's an extension for the camera. And yeah, also it comes with the cell in it, so it's really easy to use. There's an instruction manual inside and you just have to follow it. There's no rocket science to do, just plug it in and there you go. So yeah, here it is. And finally, the final item. Now I was looking for some good backdrops because the window doesn't look good all the time. So I came across some backdrops, but then I didn't have hooks on my window planes to actually put them up. And in this lockdown, I haven't been able to go to the stationery to get double tape or even glue drops. So a really convenient option was this. Now these are strands of fake leaves which can be put as a backdrop. Now it was really cheap. It was only for 200 to 300 rupees. I don't remember the exact amount, but you just put it on your wall using sellotape or anything that you want. Even double tape is okay, but I didn't have it, so I just used sellotape. And it can be in any shape or anything you want. Like you can put it in a zigzag pattern or just let it fall like a free fall thing. And I've been talking on for a really long time, and finally the haul is coming to an end. I'm done with all the items that I had. I showed you all everything. So I hope you all enjoyed it. If you all liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment down below if you all want me to do more of these hauls. Also tell me from where you all want me to do these hauls. Right now it's going to be a bit difficult to do it, but I promise that once this lockdown is over and the situation improves, I'm going to do many Colaba hauls. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget the bell icon. Also, I upload a new video on every Monday. Now I was planning to shift my day to Sunday or Friday. So do really let me know in the comment section below that which day you all prefer.